State School, ready to excel. Undurba State School partner with early learning centres, families and communities to ensure students successfully transition to schools as confident, ready learners. Teaching teams hold high expectations for all students. They collaborate regularly to ensure the Australian curriculum is taught through student-centred and engaging age-appropriate pedagogies. Significant improvement is evident in academic achievement in the early years classes. Parents are more engaged as partners in their children's learning and report high levels of trust and satisfaction with the school. Having successful learners in the early years proves that having ready communities, families and schools equals a readiness to excel.